1. When is the minimum distance between the Sun and the Earth? A. The 3rd of January. B. The 4th of January. C. The 5th of January. D. The 28th of January. The answer is A. The 3rd of January. 2. Who is known as the young logician? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Chandrasekhar Azad. C. Vivekanand. D. Bhagat Singh. The answer is B. Chandrasekhar Azad. 3. Who was the first Governor General of India? A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Lord William Whiting. D. Lord Canning. The answer is C. Lord William Whiting. 4. Where is the humerus bone found? A. Lung. B. In the brain. C. In the leg. D. In hand. The answer is D. In hand. 5. What is the science of making maps called? A. Carbology. B. Geology. C. Cartography. D. Geography. The answer is C. Cartography. 6. Which part of the body is affected by eating Maggi? A. Kidney. B. Hand. C. Liver. D. Lung. The answer is C. Liver. 7. Which country discovered tomato? A. Japan. B. China. C. India. D. America. The answer is D. America. 8. Which city is called the City of Roses? A. Banaras. B. Kanpur. C. Chandigarh. D. Lucknow. The answer is C. Chandigarh. 9. Who started the Bhakti movement? A. Rahim. B. Guru Nanak. C. Kabir. D. Ramanuja. The answer is D. Ramanuja. 10. Who is known as Deshratna? A. Chandrasekhar Azad. B. Drive. Rajendra Prasad. C. Modi ji. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. The answer is B. Drive. Rajendra Prasad. 11. What is the shape of the leg bone in the human body? A. Sandry. B. Rivet. C. Solid. D. Hollow. The answer is A. Sandry. 12. Which organ is affected in malaria? A. Lung. B. Brain. C. Spoon. D. Hand. The answer is C. Spoon. 13. What is the incident of Gautam Buddha's renunciation of his body called? A. Sambodhi. B. Mahaparinirvana. C. Impeachment. D. Religious reflection. The answer is B. Mahaparinirvana. 14. On the banks of which river is the city of Allahabad situated? A. Yamuna. B. Kaveri. C. Ganga Yamuna Sangam. D. Ganga. The answer is C. Ganga Yamuna Sangam. 15. On which planet other than Earth is human life possible? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Mercury. D. Saturn. The answer is A. Mars.